Yosemite National Park. This place is a dream for a nature lover. We've been waiting for this moment as well. Before the sunrise, we started walking to Half Dome. To trek Half Dome, you need a permit. Luckily, we won the lottery and got the permit. This trail has 22.7 kilos going there and back. Our dream is to go to every national park in the States. But without trekking Half Dome, we'll never say we went to every national park. That's how much special it is. The sound of the fall echoes through the silent forest. Actually, this is just a few amount of water. In summer, the mist from the fall makes you barely see around. The sun comes up. When the sun shines, a mystical view appears. As our bodies get hot, we pushed ourselves more. Half Dome is almost there. We passed the check and kept going. And now Half Dome is just right in front of us.
Let's go! Woo!
It was huge than we expected, and suddenly we got a bit nervous.
ついにやってまいりました。ふもと来たな。今からあのケーブルを伝って頂上まで行ってきます。ちょっと緊張してきたね。あれ見えるかな。もうおかしいよな。垂直やもんな、登ったんだよな。生きて帰ってきます。ほな行ってくるか。夢の景色へ。
Finally, this moment has come. Climbing up this steep hill for 130 meters. The only thing you can rely is wooden board on the ground and the chains. And you'll definitely need a glove.
見てください、この山の傾斜。これを僕ら今登っております。
If you get scared, be brave to stop climbing and go down. Not only for yourself, but for the other people's safety. When passing by someone, we give way to each other. As a same nature lover, just having a short conversation is so fun. This moment was one of the great experiences in our life.
フィナーレ。
Finally, we reached the summit.
We made it.
Right now, we're at the top of Half Dome.
Yeah. ああ、お疲れ。お疲れ。
It felt really great being at Half Dome.
どういう世界マジでこれ。
After chilling out at the top, we headed back. It felt a bit sad leaving, though I'm sure we're gonna come back here someday. Since the first time we visited Yosemite 4 years ago, our love to Yosemite will never change. And our journey will continue.
Life should be easy. Why should it